Hey YouTubers, this is Fireball3295 and I'm here to show you how to make an average finder calculator with Turing. So if you want to open it and then get ready to... Okay, so first what you want to do is type var, V-A-R, then do num1 to enter the number. This is to show you the different numbers, like to enter that, to make it remember the number. And then you want to do the colon, int, as an integer, and then do how many numbers you want. I'm going to do 4. So you do var num2 colon integer, and then keep going until 4. And anyways, yeah, so once you get to number 4 done, you can go ahead and put PUT, one of the quotations, put please enter first number, and then you type get, and then do num1, and then what you're going to do is hit you hit PUT, quotation, / n, and then end quotation, to put a space in between them. And then you can do put enter second number, and keep doing that until you get to the 4th number. Oh yeah, I forgot to tell you, you have to hit get num2, and you have to keep going up through those numbers. Hey, I'm back, and I spaced everything out for you. See how I went number 1, num2, num3, num4, Yeah, so now what you want to do is you want to enter and put... You don't have to do this, I'm just doing it, but you put adding up the numbers, and the quotation go down, and hit PUT, you go PUT, that, you go num1, comma, space, begin quote, space, plus, space, end quote, comma, num2, comma, space, begin quote, space, plus, space, end quote, comma, space, num3, comma, space, begin quote, plus, quotation, comma, num4, comma, space, quote, equals, end quote, comma, then do num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4. Then enter, then hit put quotation / n, and then hit put quotation, this is your average, and then hit go down, put, and then you do num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4, and then you do divide by that, like that, exactly like that, but you have to put a comma after the num4 thing, and then comma, space, and then you do you have to put a bracket, num1 plus num2 plus num3 plus num4, and the bracket, then do a / and then 4, because you're dividing it by 4. And then you do, I'm going to change this to calculating your average. And then you do put this is your average. And then just basically copy this. And then put, there you go. And test run it. It might not be working for the beginning, but let's say I got a 80 in math, 76 in science, 95 in gym, and 65 in philosophy. Enter it, adds it all up. That your average would be 79. You could also just put a space. I'm doing here by putting put quotation /n, and you can also change the colors. So it could be like this. You put COLOUR and then bracket. I'm going to put 12 for red. And then right here I'm going to put color, switch it back to black, 7 bracket, and then do the same thing. I'm going to come back when I have them all set. Alright, I'm back, and you have to keep putting them before it. Like I put color 12 there to make that the number you enter red. Then you have to put color 7 to make them say enter your second number in black. Then I do color 12 red again for the number, and then switch back to black for the letters. And you have to keep doing that where you want to change the color, because it reads, when you put it up there, it puts it to this one, this line right here. It makes that thing red. And if you don't put this color here, or you don't change the color again, then from there down would be red, since it says color 7 there. But look, if you do that, see how it says that? You would put 56, see how it's in red. Enter, that's in black, because I changed it back to black. 78 is going to be in red, because I changed it back to red, and then so on and so forth. And then I have everything else in red and stuff, like the answers. Adding up the numbers, 56 plus 78 plus 45 plus 567 is 746. 74, calculating your average, 746 divided by 186.5. Yeah, so this is your average, 186.5. I made a mistake in this part right there, actually. So where it says calculating your average, when you do this, you could actually just put you could actually put a space here and do 4. I think that should work. If I do 56. Yeah, see there, it says divided by 4, and then you can add an equal sign after it like that. Now if you, yeah, see there, it goes 40,226 divided by 4 equals, yeah, there you go. So now it's fixed, and you can save it as your average calc and enter it. There you go. So now you're done that. Have fun. Bye.